Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe my channel if you do not want to miss a single lecture of Brush Up Your Concept series. Today we will talk about an important gene editing tool, Zinc Finger Nuclease or ZFN. Zinc Finger Nuclease or ZFN are restriction enzymes that can cut specific DNA sequence. It has both DNA binding domain and DNA cleavage domain. It cleaves target site in DNA. The mechanism is very much similar to TALEN. Using ZFN, you can either knock in or knock out your gene of interest. So whatever is your goal, you need two things. Cell line of your interest where you want to perform gene editing, the plasmid that should contain ZFN sequence. When you have cell line and plasmid in your hand, you need to transfect your cells with plasmids. ZFN sequence is transcribed to form mRNA and will be translated then to produce ZFN proteins. These proteins enter the nucleus and bind and cleave target sequence and generate double-stranded break. Cells try to repair that cleavage, but the process is very much error-prone. Hence, it introduces mutation that disables the gene. This makes the gene inoperative, results in gene knockout. In case you are interested in gene knock-in, that is, you want to introduce a new DNA sequence into the target gene, a new DNA sequence can be inserted. And this DNA is incorporated into the genome. Now, maybe you are confused. You are not finding any difference between TALEN and ZFN, right? So what is the difference between two techniques? Stay tuned with me. I will explain the difference in next video. If you liked my lesson, please do like, comment and share my video. Thank you.